UTech.
Press Windows key plus R to open the Run window, and type Control. In Control Panel, make sure you have the View by Large Icons/Small Icons, and click on Mouse. Once the Mouse Properties window is open, in the Buttons tab you will be able to switch the primary and secondary buttons. Mark the box next to switch primary and secondary buttons. The left click will have the right click function and the right click will have the left click function. Go to the Pointers tab. Here you will be able to change the cursor type and size. You can also import other cursor types from the Browse button. Go to the Pointer Options tab. In the Motion category, you can change the cursor speed. In the Visibility category, you will be able to hide the cursor while typing if you check the box next to Hide Pointer while typing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.